bound to come all of the prophets in the city, the fools who want to rule the promised land. They're gonna judge all of our reckless behavior with the money in their pocket, the weapons in their hand. Mama, spread your arms around the helpless and the weary. Give them strength to hold on to us true. Hey, the walls will come down, they'll be brought to the ground by the sound of all of our love breaking through. Yeah, yeah. There's one heart, you know it's pounding in the distance. Sometimes it's all I can hear, like the beating of wolves on a cold northern prairie. The voice of the ancestors whispering in my ear. At the still edge of dawn, you know I'm poised to surrender. I'm hoping that my breath won't scare you. And when the sun meets our eyes, there's gonna be nowhere to hide. And the sound of all of our love breaking through, yeah. And I know this heart, I know that it runs deep. I can't surrender everything. Well, some of these dreams are mine to keep. And I know about freedom, yeah. Tasting water from the sweetest well. I don't know if there's a heaven. Yeah, I don't really know if there's a heaven. Well, but you never can tell. Never can tell. No, 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 no. At the edge of all this darkness, child, there's bound to be a light. The sunrise will get me back my skin. I will see my angels dance across the morning sky. A single tear gonna wash me clean again. Yeah, the power of perception, law, the death, the resurrection, the chaos, the perfection, black and blue. And when they raise the curtain, people lay down all your burden, surrender to the love breaking through, yeah. And I know this heart, I know that it runs deep, but I can't surrender everything. People, some of these dreams, they're ours to keep, man. I know about freedom, yeah. Tasting water from the sweetest well. I don't know if there's a heaven. I don't really know if there's a hell. Yeah, but you never can tell. Never can tell. You never really know.